Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are looking at COINBASE. We'll be doing some technical analysis. We'll keep things simple. We'll be looking at the long-term and short-term support and resistance price points, and also review the recent price action and see where the price is headed in the next couple of weeks. Alright, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Without any further delay, let's go into the video. Okay, so we are up about 7.08% on the day today, and yesterday we were up 8.71%. That means we did continue yesterday's momentum today into today's session. All right, one more key thing, especially technically, is that we were able to create a newer high this week. We broke the previous week's high and created a newer high. Okay, the price was not able to do the same thing for the last 5 weeks. We could not break the prior week's high in the past 5 weeks, and this also is very significant because of this move to the downside. Okay, so bulls have clearly stepped up here. We have to find out what are the key price levels to watch out for if this stock is reversing. And one more reason for this momentum, right, we see that in the daily as well. Two strong candles yesterday and today, showcasing that there is so much strength here. Okay, and also volume coming back in. The reason is the near-term catalyst of Ethereum's merger, and Goldman Sachs analysts saying that the company could be able to generate 250 million to 600 million in incremental staking revenue. All right, so here is the article that states that in CoinDesk. Okay, so if you want to read, go ahead and have a look at it, but let's just dive into the technical part of it and see where the technical resistance and support are. All right, so the technical support is clearly here. We have seen the stock being able to bounce here when and again we were able to consolidate and push higher in June. Okay, so these are the two times we have seen stock being able to make a move to the upside, buyers coming and pushing the stock higher. Okay, now we are not too close to that point, but here we definitely have created another support area. All right, so this had acted as support before we broke down that area around at $59-60. That used to act as support for a couple of weeks there before we broke down to 45 zone. Okay, now that is acting as support. If we continue this momentum to the upside, the first price point that we need to make sure, and the sellers will come up, is around $82. Okay, that has acted as previous resistance. We were able to create a wick there, and that acted as support here back in August when it pushed harder. All right, so what am I expecting from this stock? I would expect it to either consolidate tomorrow or maybe push a little higher and make its way back to these highs, right, around 14% to the upside, with the risk in mind around it $58, $59 and $60. This would be my risk zone. And if we push to this point and are able to hold that level, we should see highs to back to these highs, right? So because the reason I say is we have been selling off so heavily, and with the new catalyst in hand, and the price clearly showing some strength here, and also we have pushed harder a couple of weeks back when the shorts were squeezed, right? If you go back up this point around $82, if you push to the upwards again, these shorts have to cover and the price may actually move to the upside. One more key point I would like to make here is this 50 EMA, which is here, may act a little bit of a resistance. So we may actually see some form of sideways action tomorrow, unless we break this point and create a stronger candle. All right, so be careful here. But even if you look at the hourly chart, it is very, very strong. Clearly broke this trend which was created after this gap down. We have broken this trend. Okay, we have broken that yesterday and it continued to the upside, and we are up about the 200 EMA on the hourly as well. Okay, the first resistance may actually come back up here, but I don't see that because I would probably think that it may not act as of a stronger resistance with the strength we see here, with the candles being very strong and buyers are clearly showcasing their strength. So I would expect the stock to either fill this gap first. All right, so first to fill this gap and consolidate a little bit, maybe pull back, then make a move up higher. Okay, so that is my honest opinion about coin. If you like this video or felt that it was helpful, please drop a like and comment below the stocks that you want me to review in the future videos. I will include them and make an analysis video. Stay safe, take care, bye.